Hi guys, welcome to WisdomJobs. This is Kalyan, the faculty of Aptitude, and we are going to discuss one different problem from the ratios. Of course, this is a problem from the ratios, but it can be solved by using the factorization of quadratic equations. Means solution of the quadratic equations also we need to have the awareness. Like that we need to solve. So what is the question? Let us go and see. See, if 2x square minus 7xy minus 3y square equal to 0, then find x is to y. How to find it out? Just see, here this is the equation. Let us write it down. 2x square minus 7xy plus 3y square equal to 0, right? Now how to solve it? How to solve it? Then what we have to do? See, for this quadratic equations, in the topic of algebra, we will discuss in detail, but here I will tell, for this instant, I will tell you that how to solve this simply. See here, for example, take x square coefficient here and take here y square coefficient, multiply them together. What do you get here? Just tell me. 2 into 3, right? Which is equal to what? 6. Which is equal to 6. So now you have to split the 6 into factors. You need to factorize the 6 in such a way that when you add those factors, you need to get minus 7, means coefficient of middle term. And when you are multiplying these two, you need to get the product of 2 and 3. Means you need to get the, when we are multiplying those two, we need to get 6. And when we are adding those two factors, we need to get minus 7. Got it? Like that we need to split. How to split it? Just tell me. Minus 1 and minus 6, can we split like this or not? Just see. If you take minus 6 plus minus 1, that would be minus 7. That means you are getting middle term while adding these two. And when you multiply these two, minus 6 into minus 6 means minus and minus will be plus multiplied together to get plus, and 6 into 1 will be 6, right? That means you are getting 6. Got it? So like that we can split this entire expression on LHS part of the equation, right? So see here, 2x square minus 6xy minus 1xy, 1xy means xy only, plus 3y square equal to 0. Okay, now let us choose two terms out of them. In these two terms, I think what are the common factors? I think common factors are 2x. So we can take common 2x from these two terms, so that we can get here x is left, and here since 2 is taken common, 3 will be left, and here y means x minus 3y, right? Okay, now here minus x you take common, sorry, minus y you take common from these two terms. Okay, minus y if you take common, because minus symbol also you have taken common, you can get the symbols are changed. So here you get instead of minus x you get plus x here, and here plus, instead of plus you can get minus 3y equal to 0, right? Now here in these two terms, again x minus 3y are common, so that means x minus 3y into 2x minus y equal to 0, right? So like this you can split into the factors. Now what is our next step? When we are multiplying these two, okay, when we are multiplying these two and we are getting 0, the simple thing is, whenever you multiply the two terms and you get 0 as a result, that means either first one should be 0 or second one should be 0. Here so there are two possibilities. What are that possibilities? If first one is 0, either this should be 0 or this should be 0. That means if first one is 0, x minus 3y equal to 0. So if you take x equal to 3y, then do the cross multiplication. Here y comes down. So what happens here? Tell me. X by y equal to 3, or if you arrange in the ratio format, that would be 3 means 3 by 1. 3 is to 1. So there is a possibility for x is to y to be 3 is to 1, another possibility. See, this may be 0 or this may be 0, no? So now if this is equal to 0, then 2x minus y equal to 0. So 2x equal to minus y becomes plus y. Now on doing cross multiplication, y comes down and this 2 comes down. So what happens? X by y equal to, here 1 is left and here by 2. That means if you write in the ratio format, that would be 1:2. Means x, for x is to y, the second possibility would be 1:2. Got it? So now because given one is a quadratic equation, okay, here x is to y can be either 3:1 or 1:2. Got it? So now 3:1. So here we have to go according to the options. Here possibility for 2 answers is there. So let us see whether 2 are given in the given options or one of them is given in the options. Let us check out once. So see here 1:2 is given in option C. Okay. And here 3:1 is not mentioned anywhere. So for this instant, means for this problem, your answer would be what? C. But the actual answer is what? C equal to 1/2 and 1:2, sorry, not C. X is to y equal to 1:2 or 3:1. These two answers may be possible for this question. If suppose according to answers you said that answer is 1/2 or 1:2, which is C. But if suppose options would have given like this, for example, I have given the options like 3:1, option A. Okay, I'll write here just. Okay, for example, I'm telling you, B is some 3:2 and C is your 1:2 and D is your both A and C. Then which of the options is correct, guys? According to these options, now which of the option is correct? Here 3:1 is also one of the possibility and 1:2 is also one of the possibility. So both the answers are there in that. So we need to choose the option what? D, which is A, representing A and C both. Understood or not? Like this also options might be given. So guys, I want to tell you only one thing, that even though you know how to do the question, how to solve the question, even though you know the answer of the question, but you need to go according to the options. In options, if you have given one answer, you can prefer that. In options, if you have given 2 answers, then you have to put some both A and B, all the above. Okay, like such kind of options are preferable, right? So like that you need to go with the questions, right? Okay, so now like this you need to do the this one, and let us go with another question in this chapter. Next, so your next question would be the ratio of 2 rupees and 40 paise is dash. So let us take the ratio 2 rupees and 40 paisa. Okay, 2 rupee. See here, before taking the ratio, you must convert all them into same units, because quantities in the ratio must have same units. So here 2 rupees means here 2 into 100 paisa you can write. Why? Because 1 rupee is equivalent to 100 paisa. Okay, so 2 rupees will be 2 into 100 paisa is to 40 paisa, which is given. So now this is 200 paise is to 40 paisa. So here units are cancelled and 40 paisa. So what is the ratio? Here 5 and here 1. Okay, 41s are 45. So what is your answer then? 5:1. So 5:1 means which is the given option is B. Okay, so it's a very simple thing. Only we need to focus upon conversion of the units. Other than that, remaining everything is very simple. Even non-maths background students also can expect the answer here. Got it, guys? So the first question is somehow difficult because it depends upon the solution of quadratic equation, but this is just by converting the units of the given quantities, and we can take the ratio. That's it. Okay, guys? So I hope you enjoyed these problems also. Of course, second one is very simple one. Okay, but we will come up with in our next videos we will come up with a good number of questions, and with head storming models also will come. Okay, do subscribe the channel so that you can get all the updates from us.